So if you find yourself in a case whereby your iMessage or FaceTime keep logging out on your iPhone, then this video is going to show you how you can easily fix this. So basically, your iMessage or FaceTime is going to be activated automatically when you sign into your iPhone using either your email or your phone number. But if each time you open the FaceTime application on your iPhone, you discover that the FaceTime just logged out automatically, or when using iMessage on your iPhone, the same thing happens and it does log out automatically, then this video is going to show you step by step on how you can easily fix the iMessage or FaceTime keep logging out on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do this is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on the FaceTime application if you're using iOS 17, or the message application if you're using iOS 17. But on iOS 18, click on apps. Then once you selected apps, scroll down until you get to FaceTime. You can see that. Click on it. Then once you click on it, first thing you want to do here is this. You want to turn off FaceTime. And then exit the page. Then click on FaceTime again. Then you're going to see the FaceTime turned off on your iPhone completely. Then go ahead and turn on the FaceTime. Then here you're going to see you could be reached by FaceTime on your phone number or your email. Then once that is done, hit the back button again and click on the message app on the app settings or app page and turn off iMessage. Then you need to first turn off iMessage before you can fix iMessage keep logging out on your iPhone. Then come back again, turn on iMessage. You're gonna see no address in the send and receive. That shows at this time your iMessage is not going to be inactive and it's going to log you out and it's going to log you out on the account. Then hit the back button again, or if you could wait a couple of minutes, you're going to see send and receive address updated. If you click on this, you're going to see 3 addresses. Now here you can receive iMessage to and reply from, so any of this email. If you want to check, if you want to reply your messages or receive iMessages on your email, make sure you check your email. And if you want to receive iMessages on your phone number, make sure you check your phone number. Start. Then to start a new conversation, you can also check your email here or go with your phone number. Make sure you check phone number whenever you want to start a new conversation from iMessage, as this is going to make it easier for you to access iMessage on your iPhone. So that is basically the 2 things or the steps you need to take when you're trying to fix iMessage and FaceTime logging out automatically or keep logging out on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.